Okay, I want to give you some tips regarding light switches. Now, say that your switch doesn't work, the light doesn't turn on. The first thing you want to do, of course, is check your breaker. Okay, check the light bulb. Those are the simplest, cheapest, easiest solutions. Now, if all works out that you have power and you do have a good light bulb, now it's time to look into the switch. Now, only if you are comfortable working with electric, you open up the box, take off the cover, pull it out, be very careful because it's live. You have to test the power going to the bottom screw. You can use one of these testers, okay? If it lights up, you got power. The top one should not have power until you turn it on. That allows the voltage to go through. Now you check that, that's good. The next step, you want to go to the light fixture. Make sure there's power there. All right. Now, if everything works out, you got power here, you got power here, you got power at the light fixture, then what could be the problem? Might be the voltage. Don't rely on this because this does not tell you the whole story. It only tells you potential voltage. It does not tell you the reading. You need a voltmeter with leads and you take the voltage reading. 120 here, should go 120 there, and to the light fixture. Now remember, the reason why you don't want to rely on this is because I might get voltage here, okay? And if I don't get no voltage reading here, it does not necessarily mean that the switch is bad, okay? This can only read above 100 volts. So if the wiring that's going to the switch is loose, or something is not correctly connected, you're not going to get 100 volts going through here. So you go like this, oh, I have voltage here, I have no voltage here, so this switch must be bad. No, don't rely on this alone. Get the voltage reading, the accurate voltage reading. That way you know for sure before you move on to the next step. So always start from the source. Circuit breaker, switch, see if it goes through, fixture, and the light bulb. Okay, you can go in that order if you like, or the simplest, which I said before, check the bulb. That's the main thing. Check the bulb first, all right? Only work on this if you feel safe working on electric. And when you do work on it, say you have to change the switch, turn off the power. And again, don't just rely on this. This just tells you there's potential, but I always use that, and I always wear gloves. I don't care how safe you work, you can never be 100% sure. Works as if everything is energized, it's powered. Work safely. Wear your gloves. Proceed with caution. That's all. That's the most important thing I can tell you. Work safely. Thanks for watching.